Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna play a game called What's Inside the Box by a Bart Bonte game. Let's do this. I won't be talking for the video, you can just watch, I'm sorry. I'll just put subtitles for the rest. Bye bye. Actually, I will talk. So this is like a combination lock. I don't know what to do. I will get a hint after an ad, of course I will. So let me just do this by myself. No. This is definitely light all the buttons. Every single button. Okay. Do I have to light all these buttons? Okay. So, what am I doing? Oh, I have to do this. I'm moving my phone screen right now. Okay. This is easy. Already did it. Oh boy. I have no idea what to do. I'm gonna skip that at that. 3-digit code, 3 polygons. Hmm. Uh, I'm just gonna get another hint. I am confusion. I'm gonna skip this. Count the sides of each polygon to form the 3 digits. That's nice. I don't know what I'm doing. When will I count the sides of each polygon to form the 3 digits? Count the sides of each polygon to form the 3 digits. Count the sides of each polygon to form the 3 digits. Sorry, let me just have a moment here. Count the sides of each one. Oh, I think I know what to do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I know what to do now. I know what to do. Exactly what to do. Let me just go to 0. I'm just gonna go to 0 on each one. Oh, dang it, I keep skipping the 0. Be careful. Now, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, I passed it. Do I have to form a letter? This? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? No, not carbohydrates. What level? Oh, dang. It's level 5. It is level 5. There we go. Do I have to get these even with this thing? Oh. Okay. I have to form a circle, probably. Um. Um. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just messing with things. Ah. Okay. Okay. Make a. Okay. I gotta make a circle. Sorry, I'm like kind of cleaning my room as I'm playing the game, so I kind of have to stop. Sorry. Okay, as I was doing, let's do this. Make a circle. Make a circle, make a circle, make a circle. This is hard. How do I make a circle? One circle part is on a second layer. Oh! I know what to do now. I didn't know you can do that. I am confusion. Okay. There we go. Now I just have to form a circle like that. Finally! Ah! I just spit all over my screen. I just spit on my screen. That was easy. Oh boy! What is this? What level? I knew I was gonna say that. There we go. Ah! Literally. Ah. I think I know what to do. Let me do something real quick. Maybe I have to spell out the word 10. I'm spelling out the word 10. Because the level is 10 and stuff. I knew it. What is this? Do I just have to press buttons? Is there anything else to do? Is there anything else? No, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Arrows pointing left and right. Then what does that have to do with pressing these buttons? I'm just pressing all over my screen now. I'm pressing the arrows and everything. Pressing the buttons. I don't know what I'm doing. Left, left, right. Oh. It's some sort of pattern. How was I supposed to know that at the first part? So, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right. Okay. This thing. Maybe I can't press the red buttons? Let me try that. Okay. Ooh, it's another puzzle. Oh. Maybe I have to find... Oh! This is easy. I did it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I have to do the pattern on here. What is this? Oh, I did it. Oh, okay. I'm doing it. Okay. I'm just gonna try different patterns. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me get a hint. I'm getting a hint. Hurry up. Thank you. Watch the edges of the buttons. Oh. This thing again. What am I doing? What am I doing? First button lights the top lamp. Well, I know. I know what that does. Wait. Wait a minute. I think I get the concept or the mechanism or something, but I don't know how to do it. Second button moves the light to the right. Those are my only hints. I get it now. Except I get it now. Now I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. This took a while. And then this. There we go. Neo Rizzo Frio. Do I have to spell another word like that? Wait. Wait. I think it spells like letter. Maybe it spells numbers. Like the first one says 1, the next one says 0, and wait. Let me just get a hint. Scrambled words. I know that. Oh wait. Oh, I know what I'm doing now. 1, 0, then the other one. What does the other one say? Row of 4. Oh, this one says 4. There we go. What is this? Let me get a hint. No. Slightly tilted. Look from the bottom left upwards. 147. If I tilt the screen, I'm tilting my screen right now. It says 147. Let me just try that. There we go. Oh, it's one of these. So, I'm trying to spell the number 20 right now. Oh, I got 0 too. Now I just need to like switch all that up. Uh, I'm just gonna hint. This first hit is probably gonna say what level. I knew it, but I'm just gonna get another hint because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to get a 20. Try to make 20. I already know that. Oh, that was easy. What is this? I'm just gonna get a hint. What is this? Line the parts up and down. Line with the parts up and down. Up, down. Down, up. I don't know. So I'm turning my screen. Turning it the other way. And then now I'm back normal. I'm just gonna press the whole entire screen. But I know how to do the buttons. Oh, I did it! What am I doing? I probably have to match the puzzle pieces. What is this? What is this? Press the pieces in certain order. I know that. This. I'm just gonna press them randomly now. I'm very helpless now. Come on. What am I doing? Just gonna get another hint. Count number of parts that are sticking out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. No. Count number of parts that are sticking out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am very helpless. Come on. Count number of parts are sticking out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah. Well, guys, I might want to just stop there. I'm very confused on this one. Bye-bye.